for street racing and reckless driving around the Los Angeles County. Circumstances.
Going to be Trainspotting here. I might be Trainspotting up Birmingham, Marston Green, and more stations. Two pendolinos. One is going to Birmingham International only, and one is going to Dorridge. A pendolino gave me a full turn off camera, so I'm going to get closer to the pendo to get to see it leave. This might be 390-147. We might not have a number. Yeah, this doesn't have a number. So, thank you very much from the guys there. Here comes the rail tour into platform 1 at Birmingham New Street. I don't know when, but I think it's coming in like 4 minutes. I'm gonna record when it's time. Oh, here comes the Classic 6. Here's the rail tour I've been talking about. This is the 73. This is so cool. The rail tour. And after like 5 minutes you might leave. The photo. Oh, before when it leaves, or 2 rail tours right now. Oh my gosh, this 2 tours will scare me. This driver just scared the life out of me, man. 64 and T. I'm not watching the other rail tour. Going to Birmingham International. Oh, friends. Counterparting now with the class 43. Locally service team in Birmingham International. I did pay attention because I don't know why. So this was the rail tour all along. Take a look at the coaches. There's a lot of carriages, so I'm going to take a look. Come on. Usually I can't get in. Okay, now I can. Very detailed. time. Just waiting for another train after that rail tour left. As I just went to the bathroom. Not in the actual bathroom in real life, but in this game. Because I was bursting. And I accidentally left it, and I accidentally didn't know he was recording. And this guy looks so cool, and his name is Flying Scousman. If he has a YouTube channel, please subscribe to him. And whoever has a Mezzi is on this video right now. So if you have a chance to see him, so before you actually leave the game, so be quick. Shaking onto Voyager. Oh, it's Sushi 20. I'm wrong. This train is going to Birmingham International. Hey. Here's for the T-zone. Oh my gosh, thank you. It's in the morning and the rail tour left, but arriving now is a HST. I might have to cross the track, I'm sorry. Oh. Oh. Here comes another train. And it is. It's a rail tour. It's a rail tour. It's a rail tour. Yes, I knew it. And yes, it is a rail tour. Ooh. Well, I'm coming. Oh, both trains are having a race. There we go. Here comes one of the special trains. And right. Oh. This is just special here. And first there was the Pando with a lot of tones, and I don't know what's the next one. Next pendolino is probably like the 1907. This is just a special treat. You don't see this every day, you know. It's actually so rare because there's literally a class 82 pulling a class 43, and I think it's ready to go. Oh, this just sounds absolutely amazing. Right. There is another train, which is a rail tour once again, and it just left because he couldn't, because he probably used choice central. Oh, there's a train which is not stopping here. We stand behind the yellow line. Next train on platform 1 does not stop here. Oh, that scared me. This is only specials, I think, only today. I don't know. So much trains which is not on service. It is the front of it, and it is the back of a Class 91, as you guessed. If you guessed it right, then you're right. This is just so beautiful to see. I don't even know when it's still going to depart now. Thank you for the turn. Today, our anti-West Coast services for pendolinos is being repaired. So now there's going to be 82s and 80 and 90 and 91s and stuff like that on the railway. So there's going to be a very, very rare pendolino. And I know you're going to say it's a Virgin train run, but today it's not. It's a West Coast pendolino, but covered in a Virgin train one. So enjoy that video. It's the Royal Scot! Yay! Okay. Can I? It's the Virgin, the new anti-Virgin trains. This is just amazing. I know you're gonna say this is not. Okay, thank you. Right, very soon the pendulino might leave. There it goes. Thank you. Once again. You know, 6 and then I'm gonna be back because I'm actually gonna go and eat my dinner. And stay tuned for more videos like this. It's not over yet, guys. It's not over.